All right, everybody, it's Beane back again with more information from our 30 for 30 financial challenge. What are we doing? We're helping 30 families over the next 30 days start their journey to financial freedom. I'm very excited. This is video number 7. Now, I don't have time to recap videos 1 through 6. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe if you want some of this free financial education that multi-millionaires are teaching us. Now, here's the reality. Video number 7 is very important because it's the first video to talk about solutions. Before we talked about what's holding you back. We talked about challenges. Now it's time to talk solutions so we can move forward and make your financial dreams a reality. Here's the key word of the day: cash flow. You see, the key word again is cash flow. Most people in America think they have an income problem. You don't have an income problem. You have a cash flow problem. Write this down real quick. Income is measured in dollars, but cash flow is measured in time. Let me say that again. Income is measured in dollars, but cash flow is measured in time. Cash flow is actually more important than income. You can have a great deal of income, but have negative cash flow. Let me prove it to you. Let's say I'm a multi-millionaire. And I have, let's say $1 million for the sake of the math. I have $1 million coming in income per year, but I have $2 million in expenses. Now, again, cash flow is measured in time. So guess what my cash flow is? My cash flow is only 6 months. See, my income is sky high, but because of my lifestyle and because of the yachts and because of the mansions and because of the condos and because of the cars or whatever else people that have a negative cash flow are spending their money on, because of those things, you can't survive very long. So your cash flow is 6 months. Even though you're a millionaire, you have a negative cycle. Now let's take a person that makes $80,000 a year. Income nowhere near as high, but their expenses are $40,000 a year. Guess what their cash flow is? It's 2 years. They can go a whole year, spend $40,000, then go another year and spend another $40,000. And guess what? They haven't even worked or increased their income because their cash flow was positive. See, in this country, guys, you got 2 types of cash flow. Either you're positive or you're negative. And once you understand that the lack of money in this country costs you more money, you'll fix your negative cash flow. Once you understand in this country that the abundance of money saves you money, you'll head toward positive cash flow. See, banks made $5 billion, that's billion with a B, on the backs of individuals who had negative cash flow. What do I mean? Well, insufficient fee charges last year alone from the big 3, Chase, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America, cost Americans $5 billion. That means wealthy people created $5 billion more in assets on the backs of people who didn't have enough in their checking account and charged them more money. Until you learn that in this country, your cash flow is king and you have to make it positive by minimizing 3 things: your taxes, your debt, and your expenses. When the taxes, debt, and expenses go down, cash flow automatically goes up.